No, 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 no. The logo is just identification. Think about it like a national flag. It doesn't say anything about the country, anything about the culture, but it says everything. Branding is a different story. Branding is really the gut feeling that someone has while seeing a brand. It works, yes, of course, with a logo, but it also has the visual style, the tone of voice, and really works on the empathy between brand and user. Brand guidelines are the Bible of your brand. It has all the rules, all the assets, and all the information that you will ever need to deliver your brand in a consistent way. So if brand guideline is the Bible of your brand, the brand guardian is the angel. He makes sure all your assets, all your image, and your brand is delivered exactly in the right way, and it looks to the point.
So Agile software development is really a software team's ability to adapt to the business's ever-changing requirements. It's all about using an iterative process in your development. So being a software architect is very analogous to being a building architect, really. It's about choosing the right materials for your project, laying the foundation and the structure, and then making provisions for the future of the development of that. So MVP really stands for minimum viable product. It's really about distilling an idea to its bare essence. Its goal is to allow you to validate your idea before building the full product. So really the main difference between a website and a web application is more that a web application is meant for you to perform a function, like pay for tickets or read your email or buy a product. Whereas a website is more about consuming content, like reading an article on a news site or like what you're doing now, watching a video.